Hello, today is Wednesday, the 30th of November 2011, and welcome to today's silver analysis. We'll start off within the 6-hour chart and a decent sized candle on the current time frame, which is from 6 a.m. Eastern to 12 o'clock Eastern Time, or from 12 p.m. Central European Time to 1800 hours European Time. Let's get started. It's mainly been in this long sideways consolidation since it had its most recent fall back in here on the middle part of November. And once it gets above this significant line, yeah, I can have a quick bounce up towards here. And there's also a lot of danger in breaking below this significant support that we'll be able to see on the daily time frame, because the daily time frame has this level in here as a big mark. It's been support for quite some time. In fact, this is the majority of the range within here, up to about 33 down to about 31. So that $2 tight range is where the majority of this silver market has traded from since the last big fall back in September. Now, a lot of people will state that it's been the banker manipulation, JP Morgan, that's doing all this, and maybe that has been the case, but at the same point, the reasons for the getting out of fiat currency are still continuing to grow stronger. This downtrend line is going to be fairly important. I've been mentioning even before when we broke this symmetrical triangle. I guess the next one now would be something like that. And yeah, not much more to say about that. It's pretty much correcting neutral through time. If we move this on now to the 9-day chart, the last little while, it's pretty much been sideways consolidation. I've been stating on my last video that the 2011 year is a sideways year. No, it didn't make it past $100, and it will not make it past $100 per ounce this year. If it does, then something big is obviously going to happen in December. Even if something big does happen in December, then it probably will not make the markets go much higher. But again, we have another situation where we have an uptrend line still intact, which means this trend has not been violated one bit. And of course, the downtrend line you can see on the top part of the screen. You can make a case of a resistance level. We're back into the previous range after it had managed to break above it before. But really not much really going on here. If you're still looking to get into silver, you've been waiting for the dips. Well, the dips have been here. And if you're extremely patient, well, then patience has been amazing within this run, because you've had months and months and months to be able to get in at these prices at such cheap levels. Once again, there's really not much to go over. There hasn't been quite as many videos, and it's pretty much going to stay this way until significant changes are occurring. Right now, that has not been the case, but what has still stayed the same over the last little while is currency being fiat, 100% guaranteed to cause debt. And when you have guaranteed debt, especially at these aggressive levels, well, just look around you and you can see what's going on. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.